Today's topic, Excello mill. I'll show you something. I don't see anything online about this yet. But there's an adjustment here for the shifter. Let me get around here. This part here is concentric, and you move it around by putting a pair of pliers or device for rotation of this here. As you see the two holes, you put a piece in there and then turn it. I adjusted that. Also made a small part. It lifts the fork, a bronze fork, up into the high position and down to the low position on gears. So I took all that apart, made a small piece for contact. The other day, put it in, using crazy glue to hold a little small part. Inserted, screwed on front part, and it works great. Sorry, I'm down here. I took that off just to show the adjustment. And I adjusted it and it works fine. So now, just letting everybody know about it because I've never seen anything on the internet about the fork. High-low gearing. Well, fork lifts the gear up, and on the other side, it goes into low position. Now, I just saw a video by Mr. Pete on a jig boring machine. I believe these would qualify, maybe, when they're brand new, maybe. I don't know, not much info on Excellos on the internet, so. It did have electronic readout, but I don't like electronic readout, so I just got back to its natural state and used natural tools, micrometers, and boring jigs and measurement pieces, which I have, oddly. So then, I rearranged this table here. That's called the clapper box for a shaper. And there's a high-speed spindle and other tools and stuff. These tables come in quite handy for small spaces, so just fit them in. And what do we got here? Oh, this drilling machine is great. That table was really cool. I got a hold of that some years ago. I got it from a place on eBay, actually. Past tests anyway, a long time ago for work production use. Seems to work just fine for this guy. You can elevate the table straight up. I drop it through this. Rotate the table this way here. I used this guy a number of times for big holes. So anyway, back to Mr. Excello. So I'll just put that piece back on and get on to other things. I just want to make a video on how you can adjust the fork and contact and linkage, because nothing on the internet about it yet. Okay, well, off I go.